Hey, what's up? Welcome to Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of Fisker, ticker symbol FSR. And so I wanted to do a follow-up from my video that I believe I put out over the weekend because on the day, January 3rd, Wednesday, price closed at $1.49 in the after hours, now trading at $1.50, kind of a psychological level. And so I wanted to go over this because I had suggested that this gap at $1.54 would be filled following this move up when the gap was created between December 28th and 9th. And that's exactly what we got today. We got a gap fill. So I think that's great news. And so I just wanted to go over a few levels that stand out to me as being significant in the trading days and weeks ahead of us. I do think that the bottom is in still at $1.35 because we have not closed below $1.41, which is this red line here. So I do think it's going to be key that A, we don't close below $1.41 and that we don't hit new lows below $1.35. That might change, and I think that the next few days will be really telling in whether or not we have found a bottom. And so I'm just going to zoom out again so we can see the volume profile here on the side. And it does look like this little shelf that sticks out, that the low of that shelf is right around $1.47. So it is quite possible that the volume, the consolidation that has occurred over here in this channel will be catching us, has caught us, and this will be moving higher. But, basically they're kind of like, I'm going to remove that volume shelf now that I mentioned that. But I feel like there are a few scenarios for how price could respond to this, whether that would be signaling a bottom is in, or if it's signaling that bearish downtrending, or I guess really it's bullish downtrending, but the continuation of downtrending, if that will continue. And so that would basically be if we do get a bounce tomorrow and close above $1.54 or $1.58, this orange line here, I do think that would be a really good sign suggesting that, price is going to go back up. If we do get flat consolidation over the next few days, that could be a bear flag. So that's something to be considerate of. But if we do respect the close of $1.49, I'll put a line there for us. Let's see, right around $1.49. If we do maintain closing at or above $1.49, I do think that could be a good sign, as we did see, for example, consolidation here before a bounce up. And but if we do see downtrending, that could signal, downtrending consolidation that is bullish to signaling a move to the upside. If we do see a sharp increase, I think that would be good. If we do see flat consolidation or slight uptrending consolidation, that could be a bear flag that would break to the downside. So really, I think it's just important to keep an eye on $1.41, $1.35, and what the closes are, ideally being above $1.49 moving forward, above $1.50, and really with some volume behind it that would suggest this pullback and we're going to get a rebound and move back up to like the $1.83 level marked by this yellow line here. So I do think there's a lot of great stuff with Fisker in the new year. And I also do think it's great that we filled this gap so that it's behind us. But this could continue in this downtrending channel, which might generally be bullish. Let's see if I can move this over. That might generally be bullish that this is going to break to the upside, but we have recently been rejected from a fake out breakout and a pullback. So we do want to see some strength in the coming days, weeks. I do think we will see that as long as we do not close below 141 and don't make new lows below $1.35. And so those are my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.